Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Lookfantastic, but it looks different to normal. It usually comes in like a big hard box, but this is squishy, so I'm a bit confused. Lookfantastic, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's £15 a month if you do a roll-in monthly contract. If you want to sign into a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, it gets slightly less, and I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen. Yeah, this is sent in PR. Can't remember if I've said that. It's very early in the morning. It's actually like 7:47 in the morning. So yeah, we're going to jump in. All opinions are honest and my own, but let's get in and see what is happening in here. Oh, it's a bag. Okay. Oh, I like it. So it's Lookfantastic Beauty Box, a little makeup bag, which is cute, and then you got your little edit. So this is the July edit, and this is the Wanderlust, a strong desire to travel, it says on the front. Editor's note: when I sat down to write this month's magazine, I was going to be totally honest, it was a struggle. I feel like I'm experiencing the classic summer slump. It's hot, I'm sweaty, I'm finding it difficult to concentrate. But on the plus side, after being inside for over a year, well, not technically inside the whole year, but you know what I mean, I feel that I'm getting back to feeling completely myself. I'm going out with friends, I'm venturing back into the office, and I'm spending time in the sunshine. How are you guys feeling? As positive as ever, I hope. Speaking of feeling positive, July marks the start of the holiday season. Schools are finished for the summer and workers are taking some much needed annual leave. That's the premise behind this month's beauty box, and the reason we've decided to give it to you and your products in a bespoke travel bag this month. Perfect for your any summertime getaways. So yeah, it's got what's in the box. It tells us here. We'll go through it and have a look. So, as I said, it looks like this. I'll just grab things. So, this is Hydrating Gradual Glow, Mind Body Skin Face and Tan Body Mist. Ooh, that looks interesting. This says, they don't put the prices in the magazine, so I'll edit them in and put them on the screen afterwards. A refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. With lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell, this gradual tanner is perfect for face, body, and is perfect for the golden glow. Cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil or macadamia seed oil. Hold the bottle at least 15 centimeters away from your face or body and allow spray to fully dry before applying makeup or getting dressed. That sounds really interesting. I'll give that a go if it's cruelty free. I'm not sure if it is. I'll put it on the screen again. If anything, it's cruelty free or not. I'll probably put it just on the start as like a bulk thing. And that's the first item. Next, I've got Star Skin VIP 7-second luxury all day mask. Ooh, 7-in-1 miracle skin pads. Never heard of them before. I've obviously heard of Star Skin. It says it's a new generation 7-in-1 beauty innovation that combines the ultimate 7-step skincare routine into one easy step. Supercharged mask pad helps to deliver instantly fresh, dewy looking skin. So it's a massage, exfoliator, toner, serum, moisturizer, mask and makeup primer. Cleanse your face using the beaded side. Gently massage your skin for 7 seconds. Flip over and pat the remaining serum. Ideal before makeup application or as a powerful overnight mask. Use as often as desired, morning and evenings. That sounds really interesting. Glycerin, niacinamide, grapeseed extract and berry seed extract. That sounds cool. I'll definitely give those a go. They are cruelty free. There's just one in there, so that's a nice little thing to try. Next we've got elemis. Elemis are not cruelty free, I know that, which is annoying because I love elemis. Makes me sad. This is a superfood glow priming moisturizer. I normally love their superfood range as well. Like, I stopped using them. I went cruelty free last year, so that does make me a little bit sad. Want dewy glowing skin? Who doesn't? This elemis priming moisturizer is here to give you smooth radiant complexion of your dreams. Blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer, a primer or as a natural base. Kombucha, ginger and green tea seed oil. Rub a pea-sized amount all over your skin and neck. If wanting to use as a highlighter, dab a small amount onto the high points of the face, tip of the nose and Cupid's bow. That sounds lovely, but I'll be giving that to my mum. Next, I've got Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. I love the packaging with the black and the rose gold. That's really pretty. This is a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, colour fade and external aggressors. Vegan friendly, formulated without parabens, sulfates or silicons, especially great for greasy hair that is prone to build up. Green tea extracts, sunflower extracts and vitamin B5. Spray onto towel dried hair, comb through and style as usual. That sounds really cool. I'm hoping that's going to be cruelty free. That sounds awesome. I had my hair dyed last weekend and it was like a pink and it's literally already faded. I've washed it twice. So I am going to contact my hairdresser and be like, what the fuck? But yeah, that sounds good. Next, I just saw this one here and I was like, oh my god, look at the Alamasca, that looks amazing. It's tiny! It's tiny! A liquid highlighter, taking inspiration from brand's infamous Beyond highlighting powder. This will give you a striking strobe-like glow. Mix it with your natural base for a natural luminosity or apply directly to skin for a champagne glowy finish. That sounds nice, but yeah, that is teeny weeny. It's cruelty free though. Oh my god, it's got like the tiniest little seal on it, look. Teeny weeny. Let's have a look. That's what I'm trying to get. Oh, I got loads out. Whoops. Suck it back in. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty. If you can, yeah, you can see that there. The iridescent. Very, very pretty. Nice champagne-y colour. That works perfect for my skin tone. Would that work on darker skin tones? I don't think it would. I don't know. I'm not, obviously, I've got no experience, but I feel like that would just look, I've just thrown it, maybe look quite white, like a white cast on darker skin tones. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you have a darker skin tone, if you feel like this would ever work on your skin. And then last up, we've got Revlon. It is a lipstick. I don't think Revlon are cruelty free. I'm going to really quickly Google this because I don't want to open it if it's not cruelty free. Now, Revlon are not cruelty free. I will be giving this to, I'm going to open it anyway. I'm going to give it to my mum or one of my friends, depending on the colour, but I just want to show you guys the colour. This is not cruelty free. Revlon still test on animals in 2021. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty colour. Very kind of neutral, kind of your lip colour, but better kind of vibes I'm getting off that. What does it say? A creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural colour to your palette, infused with liquid silk formula that seals both pigment and softness. For a lip look that is long lasting and doesn't crack or flake. Apply directly from the bullet for an intense payoff, or use something more subtle like dab it on with your finger. Rub some lipstick onto the back of your hand and using a dense face brush, apply to the cheeks as blusher to tie your makeup look together. It is a very pretty colour and I would definitely use it if it was cruelty free, but as it is not, I will be passing that on. I think that was a really nice box. Doesn't look like there's any substitutions. Normally if there's a substitution it'll be like 1A and 1B, so then you get either one, but it looks like everybody's getting the same thing this month. I like the fact it was a mix. We've got makeup and then hair care and then tan, and I think it was a really nice box. Not box, bag. And I like the bag, so I'll definitely use that. Let me know what you guys thought. I'd be very interested to know what you guys think of this month's bag. I do think it's nice to get like a little bag or something, because I've been getting beauty boxes now. I've like been buying them since 2017. And so that's 12 a year. That's a lot of boxes for each company. So like if I had 12 Lookfantastic boxes for 4 years, 48 boxes, and like you can only reuse so many of them, and then obviously then I get the other ones as well, so it is nice to have something different instead of the traditional box. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.